Welcome to Arcivate's tips and tricks for invoice processing. Today, we're looking at inside My Invoices, how do we request some information? Here's an invoice from 3G. Up the top here, the blue button with the eye is a request for information. I can see this is a non-purchase order invoice, but I need some help here. I need to understand what coding I need to apply. I can send this to an individual or a group. So let's send it to an individual here. I'm going to request some information. I'm going to ask what coding segments are required. I'm going to simply send that off. And it's gone. Straightforward and as simple as that. Join us again for tips and tricks from Arcivate.